Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have here a incomplete house being sold as is with 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. It also consists of expanded kitchen, walk-in closet, study and washroom. This end unit is attractively designed and built to give you a comfortable panoramic view. The land area of this house is 1,203 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 16 million or US $103,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.